Hey guys, today we're going to be working on step 19. We're going to go ahead and Clinko this elevator tip skin. It's undimpled, we haven't dimpled it yet. Go ahead and Clinko that to rib 4 in preparation for the next step, which we're going to work on fitting the fiberglass wingtip and countersinking. Let's go ahead and get started on that. Alright, just finished Clinkoing the tip skin, the elevator tip skin on to rib 4. This is the left, looking at the bottom of the elevator. It's the top. I've got it upside down right now. And this is the right side. It's all Clinkoed up. Next step, we'll fit the composite wingtip on and then countersink the holes. Alright. For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com.